In this video, I'll show you how to convert your portrait video to landscape in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first thing you need to do is just drag your video footage over to the Premiere Pro timeline like so. And as you can see, we now have our portrait video. So in order to convert this to a landscape video, you need to make sure you have the video selected like so. Click on Sequence right at the top here and then select Sequence Settings. Now underneath video, you can see at the moment the frame size is set to 1080 by 920 and it's currently set in vertical orientation. So we basically want to reverse this the other way around. So what we're going to do is put 920 at the start here, and we're going to change the second number to 1080, and you can see by doing that it changes it to a vertical, and then we can go ahead and click OK at the bottom. You may get this warning message pop up. Just go ahead and click on OK. And as you can see, we've now changed it into a landscape video. So currently we do have these black borders around the edges of the video. Now, what I like to do to kind of blend this in is to make sure you have your video clip selected, and then you're going to hold Alt on your keyboard and then drag the video over to here. And as you can see, that's going to make a duplicate of your video clip. And now what we're going to do is stack these video clips on the timeline so we have one on top of the other. Then what we're going to do is click down on this bottom video here, come over to Window and make sure you have Effects Control selected. So this will bring up these options here, and what we're going to do is just increase the scale of this video. So you can see by doing that it's going to get rid of these black borders. Now we're not finished yet. What we're going to do is keep this video clip selected, click on Window at the top and then come down and make sure you have Effects selected. Then we're going to come over to this effects window and just type in the word blur, and then you want to scroll all the way down at this page until you see blur and sharpen, and the one we're looking for is this Gaussian blur. So we're going to drag this over to the video clip like so. So all you need to do now is come over to Effects Controls and scroll all the way down to the bottom. So now we have the options to change this blur effect, and then all we're going to do is increase the blurriness to around about the number 35. You can increase this more if you want, but for me 35 works well. And there we have it. We now have our video fully landscape in Adobe Premiere. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.